We have a 57 Chevy hardtop here in Harbor Blue. How often do you see that color? It's beautiful. Hey, I'm Jay Grams here at the Volo Auto Museum. To see the pricing and all the specs of this car and a few hundred others, go to volocars.com. You will also find plenty of ways to contact us because we have shipping, we have financing, we can answer all your questions. So let us know how we can help you. I have a whole team of people that can help make purchasing your dream car a reality. So volocars.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're posting videos every day, a few a day, and that's the best way to see them as they come out. So let's take this one for a spin. It's a 57 Chevy hardtop. Hardtop means there's no post, so very desirable. Probably the most iconic car of all times is the 57 Chevy. This one's got some goodies. It's got the nice white wall tires. The rim is painted blue to match the car. Got spinners, really nice. The moldings are beautiful. Looks like all the stainless is polished or new. The car is straight. It's like a blue mirror. It has skirts. All this trim here, the inserts and all the gold. Actually, now I'm really looking at the chrome and trim. It's gorgeous. Bumper guards are optional. The gold license plate and trim is optional. Inside the trunk's all painted up real nice and tidy. Has a matching brand new spare on a painted rim. All the blue is painted, new gaskets. So clean, straight car. The interior is all redone. Has new seat belts in there. Has the reproduction floor mats. Has an aftermarket tach, but it's like a vintage style tachometer. It's a manual 3-speed, so you get to have some fun shifting through the gears. Up front it also has the bumper guards, the gold trim on the hood. It's a numbers match car, original color, original 283 motor. Everything in here looks stock, the generator, air cleaner, the valve covers. The battery topper has GM hoses, has the optional electric wipers, and it has the windshield washers. Correct antenna, it's got the passenger mirror, got the little flipper here that opens. Door panels, upholstery, all looks beautiful. The dash is painted up real nice. The seats themselves are real good and firm. Windows roll up and down smooth, and the window frames are nice. I mean, that rolled up actually really easily. Glass is nice. So what we have here is a very nicely restored, good-looking car, and I think what really sets it apart is the Harbor Blue. Back in the trunk here, the latches are nice. You know, these inserts aren't painted over. It has a nice rubber mat. It's got the jack. So real nice, complete trunk compartment. I'm going to start it up for you. It runs and drives real smooth too. I did have a chance to take it for a ride. It's got, this is called the traffic light finder. This little lens here on the dash, you'd look in there and you'd see the traffic light that used to hang in the middle of the intersection. This car's been sitting in here since yesterday. I didn't even touch the gas. You seen me just touch the key and it fired right up, and it's running smooth as can be. Interior light works. Yeah, I don't think you could ask for a motor to run any better than what that one's doing right now. Has the horns. Shuts real nice. Both sides of the car are real straight. Lights work, interior lights, license plate light works. So there you have it. If you've been looking for a 57 Chevy, here's one in Harbor Blue, beautiful car. Visit volocars.com. Let us know how we can get this in your driveway, or any questions or comments you may have about this or any of the cars. Feel free to let us know. Thank you for watching.